Hey there. Today we're making sweet and savory beef and broccoli. It's so easy, it's so delicious, and perfect for meal prep. Let's get started. First, we're going to start by seasoning our beef sirloin roast cut into thin strips with salt and pepper. Now we're going to add our oil and we're going to brown our chicken strips till they're golden brown and cooked on all sides. And then we're going to set them aside on a plate. And we're going to go ahead and add our onions, our sugar, our garlic, our ginger, our broth, and then follow it with some sesame oil. And we're going to let that simmer. And then we'll be ready to add the meat back into the pot, cook for a few minutes, add the juices, very important. Once it's done cooking, we're going to go ahead and add our frozen broccoli. You can use frozen or you can use fresh. We're going to cook it one more time, and there you have it. It's so delicious. It's great for meal preppers or just to put on rice for a quick, easy meal. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're interested in this recipe, it will be down in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.